Hello, my beautiful people. Today I will be very short and I have a message from the source, which is connected with the Valentine's Day, which was on Friday. So I would like just a few thoughts in order for you to have a little bit more awareness or clearness in your partnership. When I am talking and thinking about my relationship with my husband, is like what I want from him, or what I want in our relationship, is that he's a frame and I am a picture. So what does this mean? If he is a frame, without that frame, that picture, which is me and my life and my what am I doing, what am I here in this form, physical form, it can't be so beautiful. But if I have this if my man holds that picture, that frame for me, it's more and more beautiful, and I can soar, I can be the light that I am, because he's a rock for me there. He's a rock. I can lean on that. I can lean and trust that he will hold me. But without that rock, without that frame, I can't do it. I am alone, even though I am in a relationship. So what's the point then? But you can be two different and very different and beautiful pictures without frames, and it is okay for you like that. So don't look for anything else, because this is okay for you. You can be you don't need this frame, like symbolic looking. But in my relationship, I need that frame in order to shine. If I have a husband, then I want it to be like that. I just want that you feel the energy behind that. In our ordinary life, daily life, it could be really that I'm a painter and my husband makes frames, or I'm a writer and my husband is a publisher, or he knows how to turn around my words. uh, Also, you can be a singer and your husband writes a song, like a text for you, or maybe he's a drummer and you are a singer. So he is behind, and he's just holding a space for you, because that frame is holding a space for that picture, in order to see it, in order to see the beauty of it. Okay? Because without that frame, because this is a picture that needs a frame, maybe there is a picture and you are a picture that you don't need that frame, and you look gorgeous, and you blossom, and so. But in my life, I need that frame in order that I can shine, that I can be what I am, that I'm accepted and appreciated and loved, because otherwise I can live alone. Yeah. So I hope that this very short video will help you to see what you really want, to clear that, because in order to clear that, you will then have what you want, because it's clearer. When it is really clear and you are really focused, then everything will come to you. So if you have any question, please write it below. if you want to work one-on-one with me, also with the aligning ancestors line, your ancestors line, in order to have a better relationship with your husband or wife, then we can work together. Just let me know. Okay. Love you all so much, and I wish you a great week. Bye bye.